everyone, welcome to Trade. Today we're going to be seeing the Nifty and Banknifty analysis for Friday the 13th. See, Friday the 13th is considered as unlucky in some parts of the world, so let's see if traders in India are going to be lucky or not. This is the daily chart of Banknifty. Though we had a nice intraday move today, all that will be explained in my trade review video, which will come after this. And we weren't able to break this low in Banknifty, right? Though we had a nice down move, we did recover a little bit. So this type of a candle are called tweezers, but you're getting it like a hammered tweezer, where basically both the days you have the same structure, but one is a green candle and one is a red candle. See, in Bank Nifty we weren't able to break this low, we weren't able to make a new low, and even in Nifty on the daily chart, when you see, we weren't able to break this low. Now what this is and how we can trade tomorrow, we'll be seeing that. So I'm going to shift to the 15-minute chart. See, I would still this is just my personal view, that I would still have a bearish bias on the market. I'll explain why that is on this chart. I'm just going to go to an hourly chart and just see how the moving averages are. I still have a bearish bias on the market, so we'll see if that is going to change tomorrow. So this is the 1 hour chart of Bank Nifty. We are below all the EMAs. We are below 20 EMA, 50 EMA, 200 EMA. These possible pullbacks are towards the 20 EMA, and maybe we can slip further. Now if you see even the daily chart along with EMAs, possibly this was a pullback to test the 50 EMA. We're still below the 50 EMA even on the daily chart. So the overall sign is still bearish according to me, and even according to the structure. See, from all this price action that is there on this daily chart, which can we tell that it is a very bullish price action? We did see over here a hammer, but there was no follow-up. Again, a red hammer came, right? So possibly the downside was restricted today because of the expiry, and maybe we can see some more down move tomorrow, but we will see how to trade that. Now this is the 15 minutes, our regular 15 minutes intraday chart. So we got this nice down move and a small bounce. So I'm going to use this black trend line. In case we break this, probably we will see levels of 42,300 and then 42,600. Now for 42,600 to come, we'll definitely have to close above this level, where previously we took resistance multiple times. 42,300, a break, a retest, then probably enter for a target of 42,600. And on the downside, the important level is, see, for any down move for tomorrow, this level has to break. See, today beautifully we took support at this level of 41,750, almost this wherever this wick was there, right? We took support and bounce, right? So for any further down move, we will have to break this level of 41,750. If that breaks, there is some very strong support over here between 41,600 to 41,500, almost 100-point support. Now what is this 100-point support? Is this price action where previously we bounced from here. Now if I go to a bigger time frame, we can see this price action, right? This is where the next support is there in Bank Nifty, where we bounced. Sorry. So this will definitely act as some support. So in case if 41,700 breaks on the downside, we have a small target of 41,650 and 41,560. And if we get a closing below all these levels, then definitely the next target is 41,320. This is where I am expecting the market to head, somewhere close to this level of 41,300, if not tomorrow or at least Monday. Let's see if that is going to happen. Now there is some US inflation data that's going to come out tonight, so the global markets will definitely react to that, and whether we are going to get a gap up or a gap down will depend on that. See, as of now, when I kind of started this video, the US futures was about plus 100, now it's about plus 60. So it's very early to look at SGX Nifty. So depending on either we get a gap up or a gap down, we have a trade and will make use of CPR. Tomorrow is a narrow CPR. We have R1 where we have a good resistance. See, when we have a good resistance based on the price action, plus we have this R1 level, this is a level to keep a watch on, right? It should be marked in your charts, whoever is a trader. And same here, you have a support here and you have this S1. If I hide all the lines, you can see the S1 of CPR, and this is also a very crucial level where it should be marked. Now whether if we get a gap up, I will look for a sell off here. If I get a gap down, I will look for a buy here, because today there was a good buying from this level. The only problem is if we get a huge gap down, like say we gap down itself to 41,400 or somewhere close to 41,300, I don't think 700 points gap down will come. But in case, because of the news move, if we get a huge gap up or a gap down on a Friday, we'll have to be a little careful. Other than that, these are the levels that I will use for tomorrow. See, and please do watch my trade review video. I'm just going to explain how we could have traded today. And we kind of took this trade, which was shared in our group also, that it was kind of obvious that if the trend line breaking and the CPR breaking, we were going down. So just watch for the next video. We'll just explain how we could have traded today. And if we look at Nifty levels for tomorrow, see, at least Nifty has made a new low today. It made a new low, but we could not close below this level of 17,700. So obviously any next down move, Nifty will have to break the 17,600. We could see a target of 17,650 if we break 17,770. Right, on the upside, definitely Nifty can take resistance along this zone, which I'm going to mark now. See, along with this trend line, probably this entire zone can act as a good resistance zone, because multiple times we have rejected this level, and the targets on the downside is 17,650. In case we see, there is one small, see, this type of swing lows, right, will definitely act as a good support on the intraday level. So we can even mark this level and make it a little lighter so that the charts are clean. Nifty gave a better down move today than Banknifty initially when we opened, right? When kind of the structure broke, that itself was an indication that Nifty would slip, and our targets was this level. We perfectly hit this target. So for tomorrow, we're going to take this as the day's low and be bearish if this breaks. Now, if we get a small gap up to this level, right, definitely we will see some selling pressure. I don't think Nifty is in a mood to break this 18,000 and go up very soon. If we get a flat opening, probably again consolidate, and only when this level breaks is when probably we can take some good short position. But today this drop was easily tradable. It was kind of the structure that we had marked yesterday, broke down, especially on this 15-minute candle. So we had a structure like this in the morning, right? This is Nifty. See, when kind of this structure broke, it was kind of obvious that we will hit 17,800. So that's it for tomorrow. We are still going with a bearish bias, but if the charts give us a nice good up move, definitely I would want to be on the long side. Now, what are my plans in case the market is bullish, right? See, look for a reversal trade from here. Now, say if we come down again, take support here, probably we can buy here with this as the stop loss. Look for a reversal trade. A breakout trade sustaining, it looks a little difficult as of now, but yeah, once we get a breakout, probably a retest, and then if we get a bullish price action and if the open interest data supports, then we can probably be on the bullish side. So that's it for tomorrow, and hope we can